Hi, thanks for checking out my video. This is my Pixel Slate keyboard with the Gboard keyboard. When you have it paired, typically you just hit the little button and it turns on the Gboard keyboard. This does have a USB-C connection right here to power it. I found that this keyboard lasts about a week. But it's very responsive. This is Bluetooth, so you wouldn't really expect a keyboard to be this responsive being Bluetooth. What I do like about it is it clamshells nicely to make a laptop. This is with the Pixel Slate again, so this makes it very similar to the Pixel Book, just a tad bit heavier. But the keyboard is responsive. You see, it just works. Okay. It lights up. What I don't like is the light up. It's a little bit slow to my liking. I would like to see the backlit keys stay on a little bit longer. I'm not sure that's something I can change in the settings or not. But like I said, this lasts about a week. This isn't really my favorite keyboard just because how heavy it is in terms of carrying it with me. So now I'm going to show you this compared to the Pixel Slate keyboard that Google makes with this. But this keyboard is on sale right now for $127.99. I have a link in the description. Okay, so this is the Pixel Slate Gboard keyboard. You see this? It attaches very nice and tight. So it clamshells down, opens up quickly, it's ready to go. So now let's compare this. Okay, what's nice about this is, see this in my lap, works fine, no issues, the clicking functions properly. I don't know what I clicked on, but it doesn't matter. That's what's cool, is this isn't flimsy. Okay. Now, as I take this out, okay, to turn it off, you just hold this, and when it goes red, it's off. Now, here's the Pixel Slate keyboard. You notice the size, about the same size. The keys are rounded. Snaps in, ready to go. It's not Bluetooth, it's just, it uses the pegs on the bottom. It has adjustable height, which you could do that with the Gboard also. Here's the thing I don't like about it, is this is the main, okay, I like the keys light up quickly. I like all the keys are the same with the Gboard. But here's what I don't like, is when I'm sitting here and I accidentally flex this, it's like it's a right click. So it's not very stable sitting in your lap unless you have your legs perfectly level and all that. Otherwise, it's not very cool sitting in your lap because it's very flimsy. It wants to go back and you have to maneuver it a certain way. That's why I like the Brydge keyboard better. But I love how light this is. It still looks like a little bit of a book, but very similar to the Pixel Book in terms of size, but in terms of better keyboard, better tablet, better computer, the Pixel Slate, wins it. Very responsive with mouse. The keys are responsive. So which one do I like better? That's tough to say. I like the lightness of this one. I like to put this one in my bag and take it with me when I use the Pixel Slate. However, if I know that I want something a little more solid, if I don't feel like making sure that I have a flat surface to type on, I use the Gboard keyboard by Brydge. So that one would be my favorite. Okay, last part I'd like to show is, okay, this is a really cool tablet. So let's use it like a tablet with the keyboard attached because you're on the go. So you flip it over and it goes into tablet mode automatically. So it's pretty cool that it just plain works. You tap here to see your recent apps. Tap there. Let's say you go here, there, there. And you hit that little button, you see the recent app. As soon as I flip it back over, it's back into a working mode. Oh, that's what's interesting, is the escape key turns caps lock on and off. Okay, so I'm going to hit Alt Tab, just like in Windows, and you can see it works like normal. Okay, now let's compare this to the Brydge keyboard. So back to tablet mode. Now, what makes the Brydge a little more stable is how firm these are as far as holding it. It's really firm in terms of holding it. However, this, okay, that's as far back as it goes. So you say, well, I want to put it in keyboard mode. So here's the difference, is you slide it out. And wasn't expecting that to happen. I guess I didn't have it in there all the way. Okay, because it's not connected with the pegs, you just put it backwards. And fold it down. So what's cool is the keys are not exposed. And it is in tablet mode. Upside down tablet mode. Okay, I don't know why that did not function. It's supposed to rotate. Interesting. It's not rotating. Okay, so let's take it out. I paused the video for a second because it was not auto-rotating. So this is one of the quirks about the Pixel Slate, is sometimes you just need to turn it off and turn it back on and it works perfect. Okay, so I put it back into the Brydge keyboard. Oh, look at that. The little rubber piece is slipping out. Okay. Put it back in like so. Nice and secure. Again, working. Okay, so it makes a nice display. All right, but I just turned it on and the keyboard works and flipped over like that. But the Brydge keyboard appears not to allow it to rotate. So let's do one more check. Okay, I'm going to turn off the Brydge keyboard. And it rotates again. Okay, so the Bluetooth connection with the Brydge keyboard appears to keep it from wanting to rotate. Okay. Okay, this is supposed to rotate. So, it appears when you have the keyboard connected, any keyboard connected, that it does not want to rotate. Disconnect keyboard, rotates. Connect keyboard, no rotation. So if you want to use it in portrait mode, you better not have the keyboard connected, or if you have the Brydge keyboard, just make sure it's turned off. So I believe that concludes my keyboard reviews. That's kind of a toss-up. I like that you could turn off the Brydge keyboard. Let's try that again. Keyboard. Okay. Now that the Brydge keyboard is turned off, it does allow auto rotation. Okay, look at that. The mouse pad on the Pixel Slate keyboard is working. The keys are working. I thought the keys weren't going to work when it flips over. Keys work like that. Interesting. Anyways, I think I showed you a bunch of stuff. Hopefully you liked the video, and I have the links to everything, the tablet, the keyboards, in the description below. And again, the Brydge keyboard is on sale for $127.99 in the link. Thanks for watching.